Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print specific pages in PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you only need certain pages from a lengthy document, saving both paper and time. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace ready to go. Now, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where Adobe stores all the documents you've been working with lately, making it easy to find what you need without searching through your entire computer. From this list, select the file you want to print specific pages from, click on it to open the document with your PDF. Now look to the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find the menu option. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Print. This action opens up the Print dialog box, which gives you full control over how your document will be printed. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your print job. In the Print dialog box, navigate to the section labeled Pages to Print. You'll notice there are different options available here, but what we're interested in is the circle or radio button beside Pages. Click on this circle to activate the custom page selection feature. This is the key step that allows you to specify exactly which pages you want to print rather than printing the entire document. Now you'll see a text field where you can type your specific page numbers. For example, if you want to print pages 1 through 2, simply type 1-2. If you need pages 2 through 3, type 2-3. You can also enter individual pages separated by commas, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This flexibility means you can print any combination of pages that suits your needs. Once you've entered your desired page numbers, click the Print button. This initiates the print process, but since we're working with a PDF, you'll be prompted to save the output. The next screen will ask you to select where you want to save the file on your computer. Browse through your folders and choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Before finalizing, you'll have the option to rename the file if needed. This is helpful for keeping your documents organized, especially if you're creating multiple versions with different page selections. Once you've chosen your save location and adjusted the file name if necessary, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully printed specific pages from your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, creating a new file with just the pages you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.